to my channel where I share all things dry eczema skincare from my perspective, because that's the skin type I have. I've dealt with it my whole life. So I've learned things along the way that works really good for the dry skin specifically. But today I wanted to share with you what I've learned works really well for dry, flaky legs specifically, especially in the summer months, because we're wearing dresses and shorts and swimsuits and things like that. And then we don't want to have to deal with dry, flaky skin popping up even after you put on lotion. So the reason why lotion in particular doesn't work to help prevent dry, flaky skin most cases is it's water-based. It might have alcohol and or fragrances in it. So take a look at your lotion that you're using if you're frustrated with it and see if any of those three ingredients are in there. That's probably why you're not getting the results that you want. So what I do personally is I use this. It's a moisturizing exfoliator. So think of like a sugar scrub, but it also moisturizes at the same time. So how this prevents dry, flaky skin from happening is it's best to use it every single day because it's sugar-based. It's very gentle on the skin, but it helps to gently lift the dull, dry, flaky skin cells. And then the coconut oil absorbs at the same time, so that way your skin is really soft and very smooth. Once the sugar melts, you can use it to shave with. So I do all of this in the shower. I just scoop up a little bit, massage it directly onto the legs. The sugar melts really quick. When it's nice and melted, then you can use it to shave with your legs. You can do your arms and your bikini area. And then you're gonna rinse, and then you wanna pat dry. Emphasis on pat dry, like just barely pat, kind of leave the skin a little bit damp. And then I put on just a pea size of the Creme. This has mango butter and coconut oil in it, so it's really emollient and nourishing for super dry skin. It doesn't take very much at all, like a pea size amount or less. Massage that onto the skin. You can put this on 2 times a day if you really feel like you need it. I just do it once a day, and that helps keep my skin super smooth and calm. And when you follow this routine every single day, your skin will be super smooth. You won't have to deal with flakes or anything like that. So if you want a demonstration or if you have more questions, leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried this method or if you're gonna try it. Or if you have any follow-up questions. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel so other people learn about these dry eczema skincare tips, and I will see you next time.